Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the best foldable smartphones of 2025. Foldables have taken the tech world by storm. These devices have evolved over the years, offering more than just a novelty. They now pack incredible performance, stunning displays, and cameras that can rival traditional flagship phones. Let's dive into the top 5, starting from number 5 and working our way to the best foldable phone of 2025. 5. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. First up, we have the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, landing in the 5th spot. This device is an exciting blend of Google's cutting-edge AI technology and the versatility of a foldable. With its 6.3-inch outer display and an 8-inch Super AMOLED inner screen, both offering 120 Hz refresh rates, you get a vibrant, smooth display whether you're on the go or unfolding for a larger view. Powered by Google's custom Tensor G4 chip, this phone excels in processing power, especially for AI tasks. The 50 megapixels primary camera, coupled with a 12 megapixels ultra-wide and a 10 megapixels telephoto lens, ensures you get stunning shots with detailed colors and sharpness. Whether you're into photography or looking for an efficient multitasking experience, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold delivers it all in a sleek, futuristic design. It's the phone for those who want the best of Google's AI and the power of a foldable all-in-one. 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. In the 4th spot, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. This phone is a perfect blend of style and functionality. With its clamshell design, it offers a retro feel with modern-day tech. When folded, the device fits neatly into your pocket or bag. But once you unfold it, you're greeted with a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display. The new Flex window is a standout feature here. It lets you access apps, widgets, and notifications without opening the phone, so you can quickly check the time, weather, or reply to messages. What makes the Z Flip 7 special is how it combines durability with style. Samsung has reinforced this phone with its new Armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring that it can withstand everyday wear and tear. The main 50 megapixels camera takes vibrant, crisp photos with Samsung's signature AI enhancements, while the 10 megapixels front camera lets you snap great selfies even in challenging lighting conditions. One of the major upgrades in the Z Flip 7 is the battery. It lasts longer than previous models and, combined with fast charging, ensures you'll make it through the day with ease. Oh hey, please check out the affiliate links in the description. They help keep our channel alive. I really appreciate it. 3. OnePlus Open. Coming in at number 3 is the OnePlus Open, a foldable designed for multitaskers. This phone offers a unique blend of performance, style, and functionality. The OnePlus Open features a 7.82-inch AMOLED inner display, which is large enough for multitasking, gaming, and media consume megapixel, but it folds neatly into a co-megapixel stacked 6.31-inch cover screen when closed. The AMOLED panels are bright and crisp, offering vivid colors and deep blacks. One of the standout features of the OnePlus Open is its multitasking capabilities. OnePlus has fine-tuned its software to allow you to open multiple apps at once, use floating windows, and access a taskbar for quick app switching. Whether you're browsing the web while watching a video or editing photos while chatting with friends, the OnePlus Open has you covered. In terms of performance, the OnePlus Open is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, offering lightning-fast speeds and seamless performance. And let's not forget the 48 megapixels main camera, paired with 64 megapixels telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, which capture stunning shots, whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits. For those looking for a foldable phone that's perfect for productivity, the OnePlus Open stands out as one of the best. 2. Motorola Razr Ultra 2025. Our runner-up is the Motorola Razr Ultra 2025, a sleek and powerful flip phone that combines old-school charm with modern tech. The Razr Ultra stands out with its impressive 6.9-inch display that stretches across the phone when unfolded. While the external display is large enough to interact with apps, check notifications, and respond to messages without needing to open the device. Under the hood, the Motorola Razr Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This combination ensures that the phone performs smoothly, whether you're gaming, streaming, or running multiple apps at once. The 50 megapixels main camera, backed by AI-assisted features, produces sharp, detailed images, while the fast 68-watt charging ensures that you'll never be waiting long to get back on the go. The design of the Razr Ultra is something to behold. It feels premium in the hand with smooth curves and a sleek finish. The battery life is impressive, easily lasting a full day, and Motorola's AI optimizations give the device a long-lasting charge. If you're looking for a foldable flip phone that offers powerful performance, longevity, and style, the Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 is a top contender. 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And now, taking the top spot, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, the absolute best foldable phone of 2025. The Z Fold 7 combines everything you want in a foldable: a massive 8-inch inner display for tablet-like productivity, a 6.5-inch cover screen for quick phone functionality, and a design that feels lightweight and premium. Whether you're watching a movie, gaming, or working on the go, the Z Fold 7 gives you the versatility of a tablet with the portability of a phone. The Z Fold 7 is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, making it incredibly fast and capable of handling anything you throw at it. The 200 megapixels main camera is a huge step up from previous models, delivering stunning photos and video with AI enhancements that make it even more powerful. The 12 megapixels ultra-wide and telephoto lenses round out the camera system, giving you incredible flexibility. Plus, Samsung has designed the device to be more durable than ever, with a reinforced frame and Gorilla Glass for extra protection. If you're looking for the ultimate foldable phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is hands down the best of the bunch. So there you have it, the top 5 foldable phones of 2025. From the innovative Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold to the premium Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, these devices offer everything from cutting-edge AI to powerful performance and stunning displays. Whether you're a content creator, a multitasker, or just someone who loves the foldable experience, these phones are pushing the envelope of what's possible with smartphone design. Which one do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh hey, please check out the affiliate links in the description. They help keep our channel alive. I really appreciate it.